Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice algebraic equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given x power 3 minus x is equals to 24. So what shall we do? We shall begin by bringing this 24 to our left hand side and equate it with 0. So this will be x cubed minus x minus 24 is equals to 0, right? So our next step, we have to look for the nearest cubic number to 24, which is 27. So x cubed minus x minus 27. So what shall we do to this 27 so that it can be negative 24? We shall add 3 is equals to 0. So negative 27 plus 3, this gives us negative 24, right? So our next step, x cubed minus 27 minus x plus 3 is equals to 0. So this 27, we can write it to the base of 3. So this will be x to the power of 3 minus 3 cubed, which is 27, minus x plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, so we formed a perfect cube. We can solve it using the perfect cube rule, whereby if you have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we are going to express x cubed minus 3 cubed in this form. And this will be x minus 3 bracket into x squared plus ab. This is 3 times x. So this is 3x plus b squared, which is 3 squared, bracket minus x plus 3 is equals to 0, right? So our next step is to solve here. Because we have a negative sign here, this will be x minus 3 x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared, this is 9. And for this case, we shall factor out negative 1. And this will be x. So 3 divided by negative 1, this is negative 3 is equals to 0. So we've made x minus 3 to be our common factor. So we shall factor it out. So x minus 3 into x squared plus 3x plus 9. So this divided by this, we shall remain with the negative 1 is equals to 0, right? So x minus 3 bracket, let us solve here, x squared plus 3x plus, so this will give us 8 is equals to 0. So we'll have two solutions, equate this with 0 and equate this with 0. X minus 3 is equals to 0. X squared plus 3x plus 8 is equals to 0. So to get the value of x, we shall take negative 3 to the other side. So x is equals to 3. So this is the first value of x. So we formed a quadratic equation. We can solve it using quadratic formula. So x is equals to x is equals to negative b. This is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from our equation here, our a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. A is equals to 1. B is equals to the coefficient of x, which is 3. C is this constant here, which is 8. C is equals to 8. We're going to substitute these values in our quadratic formula. So x is equals to negative b. Our b is 3, so this will be negative 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 3 squared minus 4 times a times c here, which is 8 over 2 times a. So this is 2 times 1, which is 2. X is equals to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared, this gives us 9, minus 4 times 8, this gives us 32 over 2, right? So let us continue to evaluate. X is equals to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 32, this is minus 23 over 2, right? So X is equals to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 23 times the square root of negative 1 over 2. So this means that X is equals to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 23, the square root of negative 1, this is imaginary, divided by 2. So X has two solutions. X is equals to negative 3, we are now going the positive side, plus the square root of 23 imaginary divided by 2, or X is equals to negative 3 plus, minus, so this will be minus the square root of 23 imaginary divided by 2. So these are the other solutions of X. So our real value of X here is X is equals to 3. So we can check to confirm. So to check, our initial equation was X to the power of 3 minus X is equals to 24. Our X is equals to 3. So 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 is equals to 24. So 3 to the power of 3, this is 27 minus 3 is equals to 24. 27 minus 3, this is 24 is equals to 24. Meaning our left hand side and our right hand side are equal. So X is equals to 3 satisfy our equation. But X is equals to negative 3 plus the square root of 23 imaginary over 2, or X is equals to negative 3 negative the square root of 23 imaginary over 2 are also the values of X. So remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.